There it is. Drain the gas out of it, put a fresh spark plug in it. Had to adjust the idle up some and oiled up the air filter, which had absolutely nothing in it, as dry as could be. Let it get good and warm here, and I'll check the oil on it. Seems to be charging good. Sitting at idle now, it's charging at 1290, almost 13, 1299. That's about 1360, 1350 something. That's good. 13.7 at about 2,500, 3,000 RPM. That's good enough. It's not overcharging either. 1280, 1380, excuse me. 1385. That's pretty good. It's a little cold-natured as far as starting up, but it's fixed jet carb, so there's nothing I can do about it. It is what it is. You just have to let it warm up. I'm glad the regulator's fine and the stator. It's charging good. 1390 at idle. Let me put the high beam on and see what it goes to. No, not 1390, it's 1340. 1350. High beam on, it's still 1350. That's good. Good enough. That'll be one and done for this thing. Put the seat back on and a little fairing up front back on. And like I said, I'll check the oil on it and probably get them to change it after they get about 100 miles on there or so. It's probably got that damn braking oil on it. It smells like fish oil. It's like the cheapest thing they can put in there. And I know I'll check the air pressure and the tires on this thing, because these things, I don't think they really do a very good setup on them. They pretty much put gas in them and check to make sure it's got oil, and put a battery in it, and out the door it goes. Really don't ever check anything on them. Let me see if turn signals work on this thing. Check the fronts too, rears work. Front left works, front right works. Fuel gauge is more than a little off, but that's to be expected on these things. It's saying it's got a quarter of a tank in there. And I just put in about a gallon. Unless this thing holds 4 gallons, it's way the hell off. Which I know it don't hold no 4 gallons. It's like a gallon and a half on this thing or something. Anyway, it should read full. But, you know, I'm not, that's not what it's here for, so I'm not really messing with it. And that should be good for this thing. Appreciate y'all watching. They'll be happy. This girl, 16-year-old girl, will be happy to get this thing back. She rode it all of about, well, I'm guessing 13 miles, because that's what's on the odometer. Alright, that's enough for this one. If you like my content, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. Appreciate it. If you have any questions about anything, just ask down in the comments. Hit the notification bell. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.